Hi, so this is how you install a car seat into the Caboose stroller. And this works for the Caboose and Caboose Ultralight models. It works the exact same way. You want to recline the seat to the very next position first. You don't want to recline all the way flat. This is what that looks like. That would be too far down. So first step is recline. Second step, you just simply want to nest the car seat into the stroller and the adapter, and you want to make sure it has it's nesting pretty evenly, where you don't see this and you don't see this. You kind of just want to be able to see a little bit of the top of the seat, a little bit of the adapter, and it looks comfortable. Once you've done that, you want to bring the car seat restraint straps that are tucked inside of these little pockets of the stroller on each side. When you do that, you just bring that over the car seat. The car seats sometimes have the seatbelt slots, so you can use those. And then you click in to adjust. The strap itself is adjustable. You can adjust it when it's buckled, or you can adjust it independently. If you need to make it a little tighter, you can do that. And that's it.